scream security and you ain't feeling it.
Yeah. But usually, it be people that think I don't even like them. Like, no, yeah, I swear I never people noticed about me. Yeah, like the people I talk to. Nah, like the people I talk to, y'all would be, or that's
What are you doing? How's motherhood?
He's running. He's trying to get the bug.
very fun. It is like, I don't think I think we bad with it.
So y'all, we is right now. About to go to eat at this burger place. It's called like and something, but the valet is about to bring the car around, and then I'm gonna get back up Sean so we can make it downstairs. I need to start looking like at the camera. I need to start looking like at the camera. I got this freaking speck on my camera. You feel? Car probably not ready yet. Yeah, that's my new watch she got me. I like it. I keep doing that with my mouth because my fucking lip hurt. Top and bottom lip. Excuse me. Oh. Yeah, it ain't ready yet. We downtown though.
Really?
So, what?
You got hella early.
So, I'm gonna get back up to once I get my car. Should be pulling up soon. Yeah, but.
Oh, then you gotta turn my shit up.
Of course.
Don't give me no mom thing. I don't want that shit. I don't give a fuck how many kids.
That bit probably alright. That bit probably nice. You never know. It probably push. That car probably beat your car. They got red brakes.
You see the front got
Well, they got a lip too. They probably beat your car.
in the back got a little something. They got red interior. Oh no.
She said that he had to get a car for the family, so he had to get that. Got it. Finally. Oh. Oh, okay. No, I didn't. Thank you. This car is low as shit.
This car has a little too much power.
Thank you.
Have a good day, guys.
You too. You can put this in the back. Oh.
You got your whole life in this big bag.
That's just everything that I had. Did she give me the key?
Yeah.
I was right here. You can record.
Yeah.
Another day, another parking. However I want. You gonna get some of the burger? Or you gonna get some like Chick-fil-A or something? Or you can try my burger now.
Yeah. Let me. Yeah, I wanna go with you. Ooh, fries looking like steak and shake. Oh shit.
It's like right.
Yeah. How do you fix it?
It's yours. Get these. You get that off the table. You're disgusting. Oh, get that. Get this. Ketchup. Like ketchup.
Oh.
Oh. Show them the burger. Watch this be your burger. I'm about to eat the fries out of them. So they don't use salt and pepper. They use seasoned, like a seasoned salt. I mean, it's like seasoned salt that they make. Oh. Give me. You're doing everything else. It been great. You ain't get the bacon, did you? I don't think you did. Oh, you did. It's yours, right? It's yours, right? So you'll be fries. Not enough?
Yeah.
I mean, man.
Stop.
Yeah, I'm finna grab. Actually, I'm gonna get a little first bite. Just trying to know how it's coming.
Let me record you. I'm gonna record you, for real.
Yeah.
Oh. I thought this was being funny.
This is beef bacon too. Look at this bitch, y'all.
Oh yeah, found beef bacon. That turkey shit nasty.
My shit hurt.
1, 2, 3.
This shit fire.
Is bacon good?
Yeah.
Period.
I'm gonna get yours. You can put it down. Eat your burger. Eat your burger. Y'all, she eat her burgers with mayo. Mayo and what?
Ketchup.
Oh, I forgot the only thing they put ketchup mustard on, but they put like a different sauce on there. Eat it. Damn. Is it good? That was the best burger I ever had. No cap. You taste a burger that good, bro?
Culver's?
Culver's? No. Not really. I don't know. They don't compare.
Let me try beef bacon.
They seen it. Well, that was some beef halal bacon. You didn't eat it with the sauce last time? You didn't eat it with the sauce last time? What's this? Damn. Is it good?
So I was showing earlier what would fit behind you. I got
It's late. Hey y'all. It's getting late. Probably the end of this video. But y'all stay tuned for the next one. And the next one. And the next one. And the one after that. But I'm gonna get up with y'all later.
Like when I'm saying
We got the lovely motherfucker. This is a rape? I don't know what it is. It's hard to. I damn near this over this time. I don't know. That bitch is old. It's so early, bro. The valet nigga's not even outside. Where the fuck my key at, bro? Let me get right. My niggas don't love me. Oh, nah, the road is hard as fuck, y'all. Okay. Oh. It is, yeah. All blacked out too. Diesel. Appreciate it.
no problem. Take care of yourself.
Me too.
Thank you.
So lobby. Oh, we can get breakfast too. God. Breakfast on the second floor. We're on the ninth floor. But there's a fucking pig on the ground. What's crazy is I needed it. Like this hotel give me like penthouse vibes cause like so high up. I don't know. Like look. It's not even that high, it's like 9 floors, but still. I see my car down there. We just gonna knock one off me to breakfast. Yeah, she gonna be bad. Where'd she go? Now look at you. You wanna be all big. She could have got breakfast the last time.
Can't help it. What else are you getting?
Huh?
What else are you
Actually, I'm gonna get strawberry.
You need to doctor up your eggs. Put some salt and pepper on.
Later.
It's right there.
Oh, I thought it was on the table.
Yeah.
I like strawberry.
It might be good though.
What? Let me get some orange juice or something.
I was looking for some apple juice or something, but I don't see it.
When you first walk from down the elevator, one over there. No? That ain't even coming out. Oh. What?
Look at these some food. He's so rude. He got two sticks of it. Big bag. Sure.
Let's take it.
And milk.
Give my baby. You don't know how to open it at all.
No.
Figure it out. Going alright. They be like a striker right now. This bitch so damn filthy, schmilthy. You too. So right now, I'm in the fucking hood. That boy Wagon got me getting some Jamaican, but it's a fucking hut. This shit they hidden. Dirt. I want some real. Y'all see the scenery though. I got, what's it called? Portrait. What you gonna get?
I'm gonna fish. I'm gonna plantain soup and jerk chicken rice.
I definitely need some plantain. Let me get, I want some jerk and curry though. I wonder if she mix it.
You have curry. You know, goat or chicken?
Huh?
Curry goat or chicken? Or curry chicken?
Curry goat.
Yeah,
That's
you
a
ever tried
thing?
goat? Yeah.
let me try
That
that.
shit is good, bro.
It's curry, what's it called? Curry goat?
Goat. Yeah, goat.
Yeah, I ain't never tried that. Let me get some. Get
You have
that.
curry goat, moms?
They said nah.
No, it's good.
Oh, I bet.
You want it?
Yeah.
You have curry chicken?
So yeah, I'm gonna get up with y'all once my food get ready.
So you want jerk?
Oh. Yeah, we finna see how it's coming.
I'm starving.
You ain't ate all day? You gonna be getting up for breakfast?
Nah. I got up, but I ain't go to one.
Yeah.
I went to breakfast yesterday, but today I was like,
Yeah, I'll fuck with this. It's G-Shock. Like I seen in my last video. That wifey bought. What am I doing with it? I know y'all tried that, Ben. What is it?
passion fruit.
Look at this shit now. It's sweet. I put my straw in there. Like,
That's a little bit sweet.
God damn, man.
She made it from scratch. Like made it herself.
That shit fire. But yeah, just sweet. Y'all, this could be my last week here in San Antonio. San Antonio been alright. San Antonio been good. The weather ain't all that though. I'll tell you one thing though, you can definitely find you some tacos down here. There's so many taco spots. This don't even make no sense.
My boy
How much
going
taco
to Bass
spots?
Pro. She didn't mix it. The curry chicken, she did it separate.
These are plantains right here.
You can probably cook them.
Yeah, just dump it. Got the curry right here. This curry goat too, right?
Chicken.
Oh.
She didn't have no goat. Open that shit.
What's this? Barbecue sauce?
This is the sauce with the chicken. So it go.
Bro, the thing slap, man.
Slap.
Finna see what it's hitting on. And then I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know if it's alright. These the plantains. And that shit hot.
I know you cook it. That me say it bad. That's how you cook it. What that look like? The chicken, the
Big.
chicken, she didn't cut it up. You can rip it. Rip it yourself.
I've been trying to curry. She had curry goat, but she ain't had none, so just curry chicken. See if it's hitting like the other one well. Fish hitting? I'm finna put the camera down, y'all, so I can grill it.
Yeah, go on with some much dog. Some food.
And it's like I'm booted up and now I'm in my element. Bringing up my past, that shit even close to relevant. Keep that shit in between me and you or you gon' trip without knowing.